Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to our new video. So today, I will give you best FPS boost mod pack for 1.2.1.1. This mode actually boosts your FPS. Look
What do
at
you think of
this.
that, El? This is my perfect victory! That's right! I win!